So if you own a third generation Toyota Tacoma, there's one simple modification that can make it much harder for someone to steal your tailgate. So believe it or not, the Tacoma tailgate can be removed in just a few seconds if it is unlocked. Unfortunately, tailgate theft has become a real issue because replacement tailgates can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars once they're painted and equipped with the cameras and the electronics that go into that tailgate. It's big business. And yeah, it's not good, guys. So today I will show you a simple anti-theft bracket that takes only a few minutes to install and gives me personally a lot more peace of mind. All right, let's get started. So you can open up the tailgate here, and I'll show you why this modification is used. So basically, you just pop the tailgate open, and you basically lift the tailgate out, unclip the two clips on both sides, and then the tailgate simply slides out. It is such an easy thing to take off, and that's why the criminals, the lowlifes of this society, are taking these things. That's just the way of the world. This little bracket I will show you. It's just a little C-clamp, I guess we can, not C-clamp, a little hose clamp you screw on, and I coated it in protective rust-proof, what the hell, I forgot what it's called, rust prohibitor CC spray, whatever it's called. That worked, keeps it from rusting out, and it makes it harder for them to take off the tailgate. Anyway, so there it is. You can see, let's see, where are we at? Right down there on the right, there's the bracket. The anti-theft bracket, I call it, changes the ease of removing this tailgate by blocking ease removal unless the bracket is removed first. So it's nice that it's screw on, screw off. If you need to remove your tailgate, you just remove the bracket and you lift out the tailgate. So it is not impossible to steal the tailgate after this little modification, but it makes the process much more difficult, and it takes away the quick grab opportunity that thieves are usually looking for. Yeah, they do not want to linger. They do not want to linger around. Anyway, there are other brackets out there you can pay big bucks for, you know, 25 to 100 bucks to stick in there. I don't know, I just gave this a try because it prevents the gate from being slipped out of the starboard side, passenger side, right side notch there. And if you can't get it out of that notch, they are not going to be easily able to remove that tailgate. But again, nothing is foolproof. So I figured, put this little clamp on. Deterrence is usually a key. They do not want to linger. Anyway, the entire installation took me 5 minutes, right? Then I sprayed it with the anti-corrosion spray just to keep a little life in it. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Life lesson. Anyway, final thoughts. Anyway, I like the modification like this because they're inexpensive, simple, and can help protect an expensive part of the truck. No anti-device can guarantee that something will never be stolen, but making your truck a more difficult target is usually a smart investment. For me, this was one of the modifications that gives me peace of mind every time I park the truck. If you own a Tacoma, I'd love to hear what your security upgrades you made. There's other products out there you can use. This is simple do-it-yourself stuff. Have you added an anti-theft bracket? Did you use a tailgate lock? Or you have another solution? Leave a comment below. I'm always interested to learn what other Tacomas are doing. If you found this video useful, please consider a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, I'm out. Take care.